25 sentences using the verb say that can be helpful in everyday communication. Video 4 of 100 with the most frequently used verbs.
What did you say?
Can you say that again?
She always has something interesting to say.
I didn't mean to say that.
What do you want to say to him?
They say it will rain tomorrow.
Did he say when he would arrive?
Say hello to your parents for me.
What did the doctor say?
I have something important to say.
It's hard to say goodbye.
What does the sign say?
She didn't say anything about it. What did the teacher say about your project?
Say it louder, please.
I can't say for sure.
He said he would be here at 5.
Say what you feel. Did they say why they were late? I heard you say my name.
Just say yes or no.
Say sorry to your sister. What can I say to make it better?
He has a lot to say about politics.
Let's just say it was an interesting day.